After 4 girls and 1 boy, baby number 6 is on the way. Are we tying the score, or are the girls keeping their massive lead? Stick around until the end to find out. But today, I'm also showing you exactly how I hosted this elegant backyard baby shower and gender reveal completely on a budget. If you want to throw a beautiful event without breaking the bank, let's get right into it. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Francine and on this channel I share videos about moving to and settling in Canada.
From dreams to reality, this is your moment. Newcomer journey.
To be completely honest with you, at first I wasn't even sure if I wanted to do a baby shower. Starting over 12 years later is exhausting enough. But since I run an event decor company, Gift and Decor Ottawa, I realized this was the perfect opportunity. I could celebrate our little one, add a beautiful new setup to my portfolio, and advertise my services all at the same time. But the big question was, how do I do this without overspending? Whenever you think of organizing a party, there are 3 main things that will absolutely eat your budget: the venue, the decor, and the food or catering. So I looked at my budget and decided I'm getting rid of all 3 of those expenses. Here is exactly how we did it. First up, the venue. Renting a hall can cost hundreds, if not thousands. So we completely skipped it and simply used our backyard. If you saw my last video on our backyard reset, you know we've been working hard to get this space ready. To make it welcoming for a party, we just did some deep cleaning and strategic planning. The 2 biggest challenges with our outdoor venue are bugs and the weather. So we bought specific products to keep the mosquitoes and bugs away so our guests would be comfortable. And of course, I was checking the weather app closely all week, but it turned out to be a beautiful day. Next is the decor. Since this is what I do for my business, I planned and designed everything myself, but I want to encourage you, even if you don't have a business, you can do this. With a little dedication and all the amazing tutorials out there on YouTube, it's so easy to DIY your own event pieces. Long before I ever had a decor company, I used to DIY everything for my kids' graduations with 0 professional experience. The secret to not getting overwhelmed is time management. I didn't do it all in one day. I worked on different pieces slowly, day by day, and just finalized the arrangement on the morning of the shower. The final major expense is food and catering. To save here, I leaned completely on my amazing support system. Our family and friends are incredible, and everyone pitched in. We set up with 2 services, so first we started with the entree and then the main course. By having loved ones bring a few things, we only had to buy a couple of prepared meals ourselves. And setting up the food table was my favorite part. I did a quick run to Value Village to buy some table risers to give the buffet some height. I even found this gorgeous charcuterie board, brand new, still in the box. I also grabbed some nice bowls. And this beautiful cake stand that perfectly matched my color theme.
Ooh, look at this theme. The color of the party.
Neoko.
I'm so confused where you're filming this.
You do not need to spend hundreds on serveware to make a table look good.
The sister, and I think it's gonna be a girl.
I'm the sis. Wait, what am I? You're the auntie. I'm the auntie, and I think it's gonna be a baby girl. It's okay.
I'm the auntie and I think it's gonna be a girl too.
I am your older sister, and I think it's gonna be a boy.
Oh. I'm your older sister's friend and I think it's going to be a girl because the cookies are kind of pink. Smart. Yeah.
I'm the older sister friend, and I think it's a girl.
Honestly, I don't know, and
You can say your name.
I think you're gonna be a boy.
I think it's a boy. Until you see, what do you think?
Team blue.
Team blue. What do we think? Team boy or girl?
Boy.
Oh my god! Two babies! Two. Do you think it's a boy or a girl? The baby.
No, boy.
A boy. Think here.
I'm gonna say a girl.
I think it's a girl too.
Girl. It's a boy. Boy?
Yes.
So now it's the gender reveal. After all the planning, the thrift store runs,
No, don't say 'cause I
and
think
keeping
you-
my fingers crossed about the weather, it all came down to
we
this
talk to
perfect
what?
moment surrounded by the people we love. Now ready
Okay,
for the
we're
gender
gonna
reveal?
count
Here we
from
go.
3. Okay? Everybody here? Everybody, 3, 2, 1. Then it's over for you.
It's official. We are so overjoyed to be welcoming another beautiful baby to our family. I hope this video showed you that you don't need a massive budget to celebrate life's most beautiful moment. A backyard, some DIY dedication, and a village of loved ones are really all you need. If you enjoy this video and want to follow along as we prepare the nursery and welcome baby number 6, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.